And this is the drift. And then there's the drift at that house. We were without power last night for 12 hours. Got a little chilly.
Just a little. Our cars look smaller.
I don't have to clean my car off at least. But I do have to dig it out. Oh well.
Look at her house.
Alright, just to show you what's going on, out there is the city's snow truck. And the city's snow truck is now stuck. Let's see if we can't get a better angle on this. We'll go over here.
He's stuck.
Oh yeah, he's wedged.
That was so funny.
That's not funny, that's pretty AFU. I think he's already tried that. Alright. Here's the snowplow. Just to give you a better idea what's going on. He's stuck
Zoom in.
down there. And here is our street that hasn't been touched yet today. It is now 11 o'clock in the morning, February 2nd. So, he is trying to rock it back and forth.
What's going on? Who's he trying to like?
He tried to get out.
He's
trying.
No, he got out. He opened his door and then closed it.
Oh, because he knows he's wedged. Perhaps, no.
If he gets on fire,
If it gets on fire, it's just gonna have to sit there and burn.
Yeah, I know, but
There's
he's probably
nothing
gonna,
we can do. What he's doing now, this.
What is he doing? Is he ducking?
No, what he's trying to do is he's trying to get the dump of the truck, trying to get as much of the weight centered over the back wheels as possible.
So he doesn't flip?
No. So it can get as much of that weight from that dump truck, from the dump on it, over the back axle. Instead of having the weight, you know, distributed evenly across the bed of the truck, if he has it up like that, more of the weight is towards the back than it is towards the front. So hopefully, he can get some traction.
Dad is trying to go out into the snow to help the snowplow men who are stuck. And they're still stuck. And there he goes.
Can someone help me? We're in the bottom seats are hot.
You can see where he walked.
As you can see, the snowplow is pretty wedged in there.
No, Dad's stuck. Oh, no.
Guess that's what they get when they quit plowing last night and now they have to go through and plow it today. As you can see from the neighbor's yard, it's the drifting that's the problem. Whole front half of her driveway is clear, as well as her sidewalk, and she has not been outside, let me tell you. But then there's all that drifting snow.
She did come home yesterday. No, wait.
Yeah, but she hasn't been out there today. Crazy.
I wonder what happened to them.
So, anyway, Rob said he was going to help the guy, but looks like they're just going to chit-chat, so.
Oh, I see it.
Rescue's on its way.
After what, like an hour?
Aww.
There goes Rob again, trekking through the snow. Good thing he kept his fire gear. Oh, stuck to his knees now. Uh-oh, lost his boot.
What?
Alright, let's see if the loader there blocks Rob in. Oh, nope, he's going to block the truck in. Now watch, she's going to get stuck. He only has to do the back half, the front half isn't covered.
True. I'm falling.
I say no.
I don't know.
I hope no.
Alright, after, I don't know, it seemed like a half an hour.
Half an hour? Well, it's an hour and a half.
Well, no, a half an hour of the guy, the other loader guy. He's free! Now let's see how far he gets before he gets stuck again. Alright, now let's see what those two dummies standing out there in the driveway are going to do. Alright, anyway, goodbye!